Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to pin chat in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to simply click on my Snapchat right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat right here. And from this point here, you have to select a contact that you would like to pin their chat. So in this tutorial, I will select this contact right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat and notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on pin conversation. As simple as that. By the time you go back to your chat section, then you have their chat pin from the top on Snapchat. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to pin chat in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.